What's going on, guys? Welcome back into another cooking video with me, Jimmy here. And guys, I forgot to start recording the beginning of the video, but guys, I'm recording it now. But yeah, guys, what we're going to be cooking today is we're going to be cooking some chicken Alfredo. And what I got, guys, right now is I got my noodles on, just boiling, getting good. Got my chicken right here frying up a little bit. Got the sauce there. And yeah, guys, so what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using some of this to go and garnish. And what you want to do, guys, just get some chicken. You can get cooked chicken, or you can get chicken breast or chicken tenders or whatever. Go ahead and cook them when you get home. But guys, I got that in the pot now. Got this going, and I'll be right back, guys. All right, guys. So I just got the first batch of it done. So guys, that's be what you look like on the plate. And yeah, guys, so that's the first plate done. When I get the second plate going, I'll come back there and we'll do a taste test. So I'll be right back, guys. So guys, we are back here with the final plate. As you guys seen on the video a little bit earlier, you've seen pictures of it. And me showing you how it looks on the plate. So guys, what we're going to be doing, I'm here with my dad now. He's the next one to be in my video. And guys, I'll have more people coming into my video here later on in the next few weeks. But guys, he's here right now to test out how this tastes. But guys, we're going to go ahead and tell you how it tastes. So let's get right into it. Guys, this is real simple to make. All you got to do is just go buy some noodles, put them in a pot, and let them start boiling. I'm going to put your sauce in a pot in the back. Let the sauce get a little hot, and then after you get it all mixed together and go, chicken cooked and all that. You don't have to buy chicken and cook it. You could just buy the bag of chicken already cooked up for you, but I decided, no, I want to try a little bit something harder. I want to try to make it myself. So yeah, guys, so something hard to make. If you guys want to check it out and how to make it, just try to make it yourself and see how it comes out.
Not too bad, not too bad.
Wow. Got good seasoning, got good salt, pepper, chicken with the sauce on it. Perfectly seasoned. Got good flavor. It's got good color on it from the pan. But hey, guys, if you want to go make this show, all you gotta do is just get together some chicken tenders, chicken breast. Chicken tenders probably the best because they're smaller. Get some noodles, fettuccine noodles, that's what they are. And yeah, get the sauce. Whatever kind of sauce you want to make, you can get fettuccine sauce, you can get the classic sauce, you can get whatever kind of sauce you want to make with it. Guys, if you enjoyed this little video, I don't want to, as long as my other videos, I'm trying to show you exactly how to put it on the stove and cook it. But if you guys enjoy, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you do turn on that notification bell so you never miss a new video when I post it, or live stream when I want to cook something for you guys. So hey guys, hope you enjoy. Like I said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And guys, I'll see you in the next video next week. Peace out and goodbye. And this is Jimmy here, signing off.